Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Now what to say?
Nyame Dominion announce where.
Nyame go so shine.
Okay, see na see.
Be fine.
You go so answer aye pem so ko.
Yeah.
And na 23rd on.
Na 22nd.
Okay. 22nd.
Yeah.
Matia.
O pese bosom no so ntema.
Ya na sa.
O metu ase. Sa anso ntema ye nje.
O cry there na o.
Me
ha there bi.
Me dey ho ne hia me.
Home me hia o. Okay. O kasa we kese na. Okay, na bia mahu menya line no. Me ha ma there bi cry nya no. But menya line.
Yene kwesi kuma wie.
Matias we there. Me dey pick na sa pa for self. Ye trans bia bo se bosume ne ba be so a. Wa ya betre ka ke opium na bo se wa ka na 21st no wa. Well, you're great, bro.
But so far,
yes.
As a result, so now no be a shocking kakra. It was anticipated.
Yes, exactly.
Say they no ana ABC. But meaning baby about
Rich made us say now about goals and all that.
Yeah.
Measure Africa yen performance.
So
especially
far,
those who are performing. Now me we am about Benarun to adhere. World Cup we yen side ye so. Rich, I did also share no meba so na maka ho asem. But first of all, me feel say so far Africa ebi go omo ho anum ase baby so perform pa. Egypt secure qualification. Meaning so we qualified to the next round of the competition.
Okay.
So let's say congrats to Egypt and Morocco. Now Egypt enya 4 points. Rich the Egypt in the last game or bought against Iran. Egypt currently occupy the top spots. And it's quite interesting. Me sure say before the competition got underway. A group A composition of Egypt, New Zealand, Iran, and then Belgium. You want to say a fairly draw. Say comparative analysis now or the check baby Ghana a war. Rich, me sure say including even the Cabo Verdeans, Cape for. O check it in a group. Yes, sure. Say group back one you say they're quite favorable. Egypt group. It's ABA canazes of the game. Ebe placey this country ahead. Certainly, Omoni doing better. So Belgium, by virtue of the talent.
Belgium, the DNA home.
Belgium, Ojino Mwa on Tiase, Belgium, Diano. Until finally. Omubenya the omo expect no sa mental block no Rich ebeha omwache and then na ye can about the top nations I expect some beji World Cup omwajibi but Rich na ye can no you 2 or 3 nations are you free focal points na kokoye Portugal but then so you Portugal if there's one other nation I Rich obe expect or 2 nations I was expecting some beji the World Cup be seen omunji be so surprised na Obeka Belgium. Rich now waka the Netherlands. Almost producing a lot of stars. At a point, Gradia may sure say Rich almost 98 World Cup. No, now people thought say they were actually even going to win the World Cup. I talk of Reisiger, Patrick Kluivert, Mark Overmars, Dennis Beckham. Dennis Beckham now call England. Or Beckham say before Beckham there was Beckham. He said na Osha talenta na almost crack Clarence Seedorf, Mark Overmars mo. Now has almost squad nepa. Who say Brazil and the year almost free mu Sa World Cup no 98 World Cup no. It was deemed the best game during that World Cup, 98 World Cup. It was so exciting. At a point almost by I think 2-2. And Rich,
who group are Egypt, Iran,
New Zealand.
And New Zealand. It was see our table now. Belgium also means with just 2 points.
Yes. It's so surprising. Egypt now occupy top spot.
How?
With 4 points, yes. Followed by Iran. On also 2. Now Belgium. So about 2. And then New Zealand. Now they were expected to be the whipping boys. Now, Rich, Egypt, certainly, because say Iran, the last game, only Egypt in able. And then New Zealand ends against Belgium. And then New Zealand currently, just a point. So it implies that say on a Belgium bar, regardless of the results, say Belgium impona Belgium equal 5 points. Now say Egypt lose in the game to Iran. Certainly on also equal 5 points. So Iran beko 5 points in and only a ceteris paribus, all other things being equal. Entima Iran enko 5 points. Rich number Belgium so 5 points. New Zealand still about occupy the last position, about just a point. Now Egypt about 4 points. With 4 points, third place teams, out of 12 now be 8, Rich. And a certain say with 4 points, what qualify? Say third place in power. What secure qualification that? Tell make us Egypt qualify. Morocco also secure the qualification. And I'm happy. Say at least Africa, certain nations, and even trust you me, Rich.
Cote d'Ivoire also qualify.
Cote d'Ivoire also qualify. Per the Kakon. Cote d'Ivoire, they say we can on the J.
Because Curaçao there,
yes. Exactly. Rich, one Senimpa or the on drum po in free honor. We secure qualification. So on the Ojeja and who weekend. No, it was a game on us and also. And Rich, World Cup we at the air condition. Sir Abrantiano, Abrantiano Adingra.
Simon
okay, say Adingra Cronan so na AFCON and Cote d'Ivoire. So okay.
The performance.
Oh. And he was
so
Charlie. And it was so surprising.
What was he thinking? Me, when say besi na ho. As I said, I'm here game. Me here game we no. Me who the video, I'm on for a still picture. Any other me some question say Adingra.
Yes.
And you see, Abrantana can some of Premier League.
Of course.
And when you play bia keke.
No. Abeka say inferiority complex.
That's it.
It's me in.
So we should pass now, Quadrant Honor. First of all, pass and not short in him.
Yes.
It was a pinpoint pass.
Yes, and one can say, yeah, with the speed and
on your left,
no.
Or your right footed player.
Sure.
It's a born a banana. And you contrast him.
No.
But born it was a brand is my good to
Rich, and only defense I am not a warrior in ye or montem. Say, German phone in your opportunity now. Omon Flaffino. And Omo him so much Germans need Omo. But that small boy, Omo midfielder no Cote d'Ivoire midfielder no Akrakitwa no 20-year-old boy no. So with the performance. That guy is a massive talent. And then only a Kabuadi there, but Charlie. So who are the performance no. Said you stop it. Germany midfield no. And at the point said they not caress the ball. A proper baller, ball no ball. Who say onim the oil on the pitch. The confidence level. So Yemfa Cote d'Ivoire encounter said the possibility say Cote d'Ivoire so be qualify no. I very high. And Rich, I'm happy. And no say motivate Ghana and so. Rich. And because Ghana with Yensia 3 points, the possibility see be qualify with just a point. Very high. Now, Rich, having said all this, Adia Bakwana may share the goalkeeping department. Rich, we can know why you're excited about how are the goalkeeping department and you may be equal. But first of all, and this World Cup, trust you me, you can't outfield players as them. But goalkeepers, right, they would make huge impact. Almost by a lot of stories to tell. And the goalkeeping department, they are so exciting and so interesting. Up to this point, they say, there were certain nations, Yaba World Cup, no, Obianim say, goalkeepers, no, they make headlines. For instance, the defending champions of the World Cup, Argentina. Argentina came with one of the finest goalkeepers, football, in the shape of Emiliano Martinez. Oh, say World Cup near can they win the Golden Gloves no. And Rich World Cup na here can near bomb Messi no. Sa Brantiano was the unsung hero. So okay, Dibo, especially near Paul game na we France versus Argentina. So that's stupendous save or Omeki. And son a penalty shootout no. Heroics and so Emeki. And here can Messi. But there was a certain Emiliano Martinez and the story no. It was so exceptional. And Rich, our honum, yes, I cry Jordan Pickford. And then there is Alison Becker, a top class goalkeeper. Rich keeper in now, and a France goalkeeper, Mike Magnan. So, who expects to say, World Cup, Kabine be all names, no, and a yearbo. But Rich, surprisingly, some names are Obiagini any almost so. I take it over. I'm on Nigeria. Rich, I don't know here, Curaçao goalkeeper, no. Ella Rome. Mamma mia. That guy is such an incredible talent. ono the keeper could recite game mo wait 15 saves 15 solid saves and Rich trust you me only na me sha dey be only say your back football abakosemu since your chance here say you dey start air record from 1966 ever ono the goalkeeper where side against Ecuador within 90 minutes and your other time within 90 minutes goalkeeper why the most saves ayono of course ebia oko obi bekwa the record of Tim Howard make Tim Howard record no very well it was the USA against Belgium make I game the Palmy rain fee Tim Howard diano Rich or 16 saves but the 16 saves no the amount we diano air strong we diana about world record they say Tim Howard diano ne extra time count
okay
but also okay
we're 90 minutes
within 90 minutes wait on the extra time account about 120 solid minutes. It's way the and I record I say within 90 minutes no football no goalkeeper be I started see at the start can't say no goalkeeper be no cross record no Eloy Rome now them there no goalkeepers no at the end no ye hero saves or more no I dey so interesting Rich a brand me patch mo picture na that no Rome asem ne can Eloy Rome now Rich what are you crown no 2019 na omo honum no na Curacao me kai pa na they had this game and also omo boy was against Haiti Rich CONCACAF game na their main goalkeeper Brandt na down for pa your friend Peter Jazinho unfortunately Australia ne nkwa ya na down for pa ni nyina na team mu Australia ne nkwa ya through heart attack or cardiac arrest. Hence, Ono Baba Bear #1 goalie. And in the performance no done medino, and no dedicated the goalkeeper no, and no picture any dasso. Now, Rich, so we need the free honum, and me sure says a Curacao bet me a BBL competition way mu. At least accord to the next stage of the competition. This gentleman will have a key role to play. Young friend the Anderson another person. Of course, Kevet goalkeeper the Vozinia, ya can't ask him that, and he was so fortunate where the in the West no was actually granted. Nemam ewo honum at a point. Who's a Nemam? On now, almost they are so surprising. They say, well, boy against Spain, people thought say Kevedian's performance was a fluke, a draw against Spain. So the impression was that Uruguay, this is Spain, the defending European champions, only a former world champions. Owie no asanso ni Uruguay enso abo ono so former world champions and on abo Rich on Uruguay enso kokobo you obi anim say Uruguay dey or the Cape Verde begu because we who Cape Verde opo sa game nso surprisingly at a point na nko opportunity cry say anko be say Uruguay ojeja ne ho Rich on Uruguay o say Uruguay ba betise no o san enya kokodro aside another ball to Uruguay net him with the quality of Uruguay, Ukraine now, Federico Valverde Munino, and so many more draw. Or say a bomb abaso. Inti Vozinia Dieno, for now, Yahuni ye. Rich, one story. So sad. After you can't Vozinia, dear, you can't be a Vozinia free by first game. You can't abakosem kakra, how I struggle, ya, nankani da so niwa, and the way establishing home. Ambukanoko Portugal Salves and Obone ball. Read the final one.
I know the
Matia. And your Iran goalkeeper. The story no I so touching. So touching the story. Richard him the money no so touching no. Omo game omo boy dry Iran a boy no. Abrante on the winning man of the match award. Sir Oko Irana. Baby, I know, say, your friend Loristan. Now, Rich Loristan, Nana, or Seno. A ya bia Nabusia Forno. Omuka and Yanso, David Dianibi. Ti any that's one you I want them one with Repano. And a wohonum. Rich this goalkeeper, and I just say, or better go. Now, for say that, pretty you ne papa. Or say, Minister come the better gloves. Also, say, Chinchina try say go na better. Bema go no. Escafor Ejuma. na branch even o manage ya to susu kakra ko pay gloves toya na ne papa titim ni jesi gu ha na papa titim chese ball ne de o mane monim say yes kafo adwuma ti was a branch efri ho ejane eba Iran ahim kra friend to Iran Rich branch e baba bedru ho no mo a onim obi oni connection bi anye say e bi atesa Rich wako Accra na onim wo fa bi ho a wo kwakwa so ni so onim obi a ho
Sadio Mane story ni bi enti oda abontene in fact the first club can no kwakobo no na club no oda na abontene enti Iran legend we Ali Day okay
so kind of power no use SUV na branch story a okokoko wo cars o chichi car Tyson o we Rich why you no bebre adwuma bi abu ayo why to the extent say pizza yo moton ya okoko fiti esam ti anke ha nkoko fantini utan no akwa fiti esam no mu dia pizza Rich one story no and na branch etimi rise ababa bedru sa level yi
and baby o di Iran
akwa kodru oman ya me no nyina anim de eko akosam a ewo ho omo akuro na mpodru baby ebi mu kran so emu asan ache ehuru omo Rich coupled with the fact say omo training class omo be training no ade baba betia ma makwa kobobo na mo the training fee bi na mo the afam mo bo wi ana mo ko and this goalkeeper
what a story
said the name what a story and it was so interesting ofa goalkeepers trainer so far omo hu aye ko mo asem ye pa Vozinha story who say similar to that of this gentleman story Vozinha story any Iran goalkeeper story similar na say bra be fa Crucial goalkeeper and so story
football and stories
exactly and also
unique
perfect
that is why sometimes I make say yeah the football diagram na
mo
on shebe branch the free and football na man this platform
perfect and the football Rich could just someone multi-millionaire sabi enye say no mo yehia for crowd but na efie and never said that anye e bebre sa Kamarat minimum swat is
minimum Kamarat sorry
enti sanet here
okay yemenso na